How to share photos from iPhone to Android. So there are several ways you can do to transfer photos. First is by using the Google features, particularly the Google Drive. So open the Google Drive application on your iPhone, click on the plus icon to create a new folder, name this transfer, and in here, just upload the photos that you want to transfer. Now you can either send the link of that folder to yourself or just open the same account where you uploaded the Google Drive folder on your other device. As you can see, when we open the drive on the Android device, the folder is also here and I can now download these pictures. Another way you can try is to download the app Copy My Data. Do it on both App Store and the Play Store. After downloading, open it on both devices. Tap Next, choose the Wi-Fi option, select your Android device's name on your iPhone device, tap Send Data. This verification code will then show on your iPhone device. Type that in on your Android. In here, select what you want to transfer to your device. After that, click on Next and just wait for it to fully load. Now, if you check on it, the same photos are displayed on both devices. So that is how to share photos from iPhone to Android. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.